I just wanted to do a quick update to show you guys the sad state our pond is currently in. Now, it hasn't been raining that frequently here where I live, so the pond is pretty dry. My solar well pump burned up, so I have to get another one, and I haven't had the chance to buy a new one yet. I want to turn on my other well that's by the house, and no water came out, so I'm going to have to go pull that well and check and try and figure out what's wrong with it. This did give us an opportunity to pour some new concrete around the posts for the dock. These were underwater when I poured the original concrete, so the concrete kind of crumbled. Now these do go into the ground as far as I could get them. There is some type of shale down there, so I couldn't go more than like 1.5 feet.